Hey everyone, are you ready for a taste bud adventure? Today we're diving into the world of smoothies, specifically a delightful strawberry kiwi smoothie that's not only super tasty, but also incredibly good for you. Smoothies are a fantastic way to pack in loads of fruits and their awesome nutrients. They're a perfect blend of health and taste, making them an ideal choice for any time of the day. They're quick to make, perfect for a hot day, and you can easily customize them with your favorite ingredients. Whether you like them sweet, tangy, or a mix of both, the possibilities are endless. This strawberry kiwi smoothie is one of my all-time favorites. The combination of strawberries and kiwi creates a refreshing and vibrant flavor that is hard to resist. It's bursting with flavor, and it will leave you feeling energized and refreshed. The natural sweetness of the strawberries paired with the slight tartness of the kiwi makes it a perfect balance. Plus, it's so easy to make, even if you're short on time. All you need are a few simple ingredients in a blender, so let's grab our ingredients and get blending. You'll need fresh strawberries, ripe kiwis, a splash of orange juice, and a bit of honey if you like it sweeter. Blend it all together until smooth, and voila, a delicious, nutritious smoothie ready to enjoy. For this super simple smoothie, you only need a handful of ingredients. It's quick, easy, and perfect for a refreshing treat any time of the day. Don't worry, they're easy to find at your local market. Fresh produce is always best, so take a stroll through the fresh produce section. Here's what you'll need to gather to make this delightful smoothie. 1 cup of fresh strawberries, washed and hulled. Strawberries are packed with vitamins and antioxidants. 2 ripe kiwis, peeled and chopped. Kiwis add a tangy sweetness and are rich in vitamin C. 1/2 cup of plain yogurt. Yogurt provides a creamy texture and is a great source of probiotics. 1/4 cup of milk, any kind you prefer. Milk adds a smooth consistency and can be adjusted to your dietary needs. And 1 tablespoon of honey, optional for added sweetness. Honey is a natural sweetener and can enhance the flavor. See? I told you it was simple, just a few ingredients and you're ready to blend. We're using fresh whole ingredients to create a delicious and nutritious drink. Simply blend everything together until smooth. Now, let's talk about why these ingredients are so fantastic for you. Strawberries and kiwis are not only delicious, but also packed with essential nutrients that support your overall health. Enjoy this smoothie as a quick breakfast, a post-workout snack, or a healthy dessert. It's versatile and perfect for any occasion. Strawberries are those bright red gems packed with vitamin C, which is like a superhero for our immune systems. They also have antioxidants that help our bodies fight off bad stuff. Plus, strawberries are a good source of fiber, which is important for our digestion and keeps us feeling full and satisfied. And let's not forget their delicious sweet flavor that makes this smoothie so irresistible. Section 4, kiwis bursting with vitamin C. Next up, we have our tangy friends, the kiwis. These fuzzy little fruits are like vitamin C bombs, even more than oranges, which is incredible. Vitamin C is essential for healthy skin, bones, and teeth. Kiwis are also a good source of potassium, which is essential for maintaining healthy blood pressure. And their unique tanginess adds a refreshing twist to our smoothie. Section 5. Blending your way to health. Easy steps. Now comes the fun part. Blending. This is where all our fantastic ingredients transform into a delicious smoothie. First, add your washed and hulled strawberries to the blender. Next, toss in those chopped kiwis. Now add the yogurt, milk and honey if you're using it. Secure the blender lid tightly. Blend everything until it's smooth and creamy. You can add a little ice if you prefer a colder, thicker smoothie. See? Easy peasy. You've just whipped up a healthy and delicious strawberry kiwi smoothie in minutes. Section 6. A smoothie a day. Enjoy the goodness. Smoothies are not just a treat, they are a delightful way to pack in essential nutrients and start your day on a high note. There you have it, a vibrant and delicious strawberry kiwi smoothie packed with vitamins, antioxidants and flavor. This smoothie is a powerhouse of nutrition, combining the sweetness of strawberries with the tangy zest of kiwis. It's the perfect way to start your day, get a midday boost, or even treat yourself after a good workout. Imagine sipping on this refreshing drink as you kickstart your morning or recharge your energy levels post-exercise. Remember, you can always get creative with your smoothies. The beauty of smoothies lies in their versatility. You can mix and match ingredients to suit your taste and nutritional needs. Try adding a handful of spinach for extra greens, a spoonful of chia seeds for added fiber, or even a dollop of peanut butter for a protein punch. Each addition brings its own unique benefits, enhancing both the flavour and the health quotient of your smoothie. So go ahead, grab your ingredients and get blending. The process is simple, fun and incredibly rewarding. Your taste buds and your body will thank you. Every sip is a step towards a healthier lifestyle filled with vibrant flavours and essential nutrients. Cheers to a healthier and happier you. Embrace the goodness of smoothies and make them a part of your daily routine. Here's to your health and happiness, one delicious smoothie at a time.